When it comes to managing linear assets, field service managers are struggling with a challenging scenario. Water pipes, gas, electricity, highways, railways networks have mission-critical requirements. The world cannot afford to have hospitals or airports without energy or data connection. This could have a tremendous impact on the everyday life of millions of people. Therefore, organizations are looking for systems that detect anomalies in advance to correct them before the final break arises. OverIT is the solution. The IoT-driven job guide feature opens the floodgates to the field service of the future, allowing customers to manage preventative maintenance processes. By collecting and interpreting huge amounts of IoT data in real time, the Next-Gen FSM Platform identifies anomalies or urgent issues on assets and automatically creates the corresponding work order, alerting the workforce about the need to carry out maintenance or repair activities. Relying on all the information about the issue, operators can fix it, preventing the overall destruction of the asset. OverIT, the trusted partner to pave the way for the introduction of innovative features needed for increasing the first-time fix rate, reducing the downtime of operations, and improving safety conditions. OverIT Next-Gen FSM Platform 2022 Wave 3. You ask, we deliver.